I can't even keep up with all these days. It's day whatever. Oh, his scarf fell off because he can't believe that it's almost Christmas. I think it's 10 more days. I don't know. But we're going to see what's both of these. Day 15. Oh, please don't rip it like always. Not always, but sometimes. The cutest bone. And it's so soft. I saw this on the box. Well, basically, you saw everything on the box, basically. Not everything, just a little bit. And he has his little bone, and also I gave Biscuit a hat. And I also have Biscuit, the little one, has a bone. Very cute. Now let's see what's in this one. And this monster truck, I think I have to change these, I don't know. But we'll have to, where's day 15? Oh, it's right here. The days are getting like hard to find. What is this? Is this a police vehicle or what? I can't believe it. We got a police vehicle. Now the police officer could drive. I've been waiting to get a police vehicle. I know I say that on like a lot of stuff, but this one, I don't know. Oh, no, it's sticking. Okay, I don't know how it's sticking, but it's sticking. Okay. Now we just put this piece on. So, I think we finally found out what the mistake was. Actually, no, the wrong word. Actually, pieces fell on the floor. Not all pieces were about to fall. Okay. Finally, I don't know why this video is so strange. Just because how this build was, probably. Okay. Everything's good. We have a bunch of cars, almost too many cars in our city. So far we have our police car that's gonna go get the bad guy. That probably will go in the boat and drive away, and then the police will never get them because they don't have a police boat. But yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen. Yeah, my truck looks better over there because too many cars. Because it's a small city. So, this is the end of this video. Bye.